Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join a Zoom meeting on your phone. So if someone invite you to join a meeting and send you like a code or a meeting code, this is how you're going to use that on Zoom app. So after you open the Zoom, you can just click on the join options in here. Then you can just enter the meeting ID that someone sent you to join the meeting, and here you can set your name, and you can also adjust the settings or the join option in here. Don't connect to audio or turn off my video automatically. So I'm going to enable this, for example, and after you add the meeting ID, for example, you can just click on join. Okay, so that's the first way, or you can also click on the new meeting options in here, and this is for example my personal meeting ID. You can just click on this, and here you can click on start a meeting if you are the one who held the meeting. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.